The next option from slideshow in setup section is Rehearse Timings. That helps me to manage my time in the presentation. I recommend you before your presentation, practice your slides with the Rehearse Timings. To understand that can you manage your time while you are giving lecture or no. And be sure that you won't be lack of time or have extra time. The rehearse timing option will help you in a way of reaching this goal. Actually, in the condition that practice your slides with the rehearse timing option, which I will explain you how to work with it. The other usage of rehearse timing is that you understand how much time you spend on one slide and how long this slide is playing. And you can create a variable visual plays for the audience, and it will help you not to play one slide for a long time because it will make the audience tired. So I recommend you to create a variable visual plays for the audience by help of slides. So let's see that how does a rehearse timing option work. Pay attention that before activating a rehearse timing option, you activate use timings. Think because these two options are related to each other. Well, I go to the first slide and click on this option. As you see, the slides are shown with the slideshow mode, and there is a box here as recording that shows two timers. To me, the right side timer is for showing the total time of giving a speech, but the timer that exists in this box as a slide time shows how long I'm talking about the specific slide. And when I go to the next slide, the time resets in the timer which exists in the box. Also, by the help of pause recording, you can pause the timers that are here. As you see, a window opens which says recording paused, and if we want to activate the timers again, we can click on resume recording, that the timers start working again. By the help of next option, we can go to the next slide, and in this way we can practice our speech by the help of a rehearse timings option and have better time management while we are giving a speech. And if we want to exit, we click on close. That when we click on close, a window is shown here that shows the total time that we have had for the presentation and asks us, do you want to save the new slide timing? That I click on yes, and then when you go to slide sorter view, in the bottom of each slides and in the right side there is a number here that shows how long did I spend on each slide. For example, it shows that the first slide was shown 34 seconds. The second slide, 16 seconds. The third slide, 2 seconds to the audience. Well, here after your practice is over, you can go to slide sorter view, and if you see you spend more time on one slide, you will understand that you should pass that slide faster because your audiences get bored, and by passing that slide faster, you can create variable slides for the audiences. By the help of rehearse timings option, in fact, you can design a good path for your presentation. So we will study another option from the slideshow tab in next video. Thank you for accompanying me.